homies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this wig install with this gorgeous hair from Ashimary. This is one of their newest wigs that they have out right now, and I'm gonna let you guys know right now, this is by far one of my new favorite water wave wig. This wig is called their Water Wave 𝐵𝐶𝐸 Strap Snug Fit 360 Transparent Lace Frontal. During the video I am going to be showing you guys how I did this hairstyle because this is super cute and I did not want to take it down. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave my hair like this for the rest of the day. Like, look at the lace, and the lace on it is pre-cut, so it's like, where's the lace? Let me know right now like where the lace is. I will tell you guys more information about this hair during the video, but if you guys want to see me install this 360 water wave wig with a 𝐵𝐶𝐸 strap, then just keep on watching. Once you order from Ashimary, this is how the box looks, and I was super excited to receive this package too because of all the goodies that it comes with, and of course the hair, the new 𝐵𝐶𝐸 strap really got me. But let's take a look at these curls real quick. The curls, the waves, everything is looking so good, and it just came fresh out the box. The knots are bleached, the hairline is pre-plucked, and it's pre-cut too, so I can just easily throw it on. I like how it's pre-cut all the way around and not only just the front. I really appreciate when the lace has tint to it, so I don't have to add any type of color to the lace. It'll just blend in with my scalp way better. For more security, the hair comes with 3 combs and a adjustable strap. This is how the 𝐵𝐶𝐸 strap looks. It's right underneath the lace. This will help the wig fit your head better, and whenever you want to put your hair in a bun or a ponytail, it'll look way more natural. This wig is specifically made to fit any head shape, whether it's large or small. The hair is 100% virgin human hair, and the hair density is 180%, even though it looks way more than that, which is really good. The gifts that I received with the hair was this curler, and I love how it's pink, 2 HD wig caps, an edge brush, 3D eyelashes, a razor, which we do not need because the hair is already pre-cut, and an edge band. All the products I'm going to be using will be linked down below, and you can get it on my Amazon storefront. Right now I'm just using some edge fixer just to remove my edges out the way, lay them flat, and taking an alcohol swab to remove any type of oils that I have near my hairline. Right now I'm just adjusting the 𝐵𝐶𝐸 strap to fit my head, and then I'm just gonna throw on the wig. This fits my head perfectly, and I can just comfortably put my hair in a ponytail or put it in a bun, put it in a hair clip, whatever, but it just matches with my hairline and hair perfectly. No lace is showing underneath, and it's not even tight on my head at all. It's so comfortable to wear, and I can just sleep in this hair if I wanted to. Even though this hair length is 24 inches, it's literally looking like it's 26. The ends are not looking dry. Keep in mind this is fresh out the box, no product in my hair yet. Right now I'm just showing you guys how you could quickly style it without having to put any type of glue or spray on it just yet, because the hair is really secured, and I'll show you guys in a second on how secured it is. The lace looks super invisible because lace wear. Now we're going to be doing the wig shake test, because I'm telling y'all, this 𝐵𝐶𝐸 strap helps a lot to where the wig is not going to move, and that just shows you that it fits perfectly to your head shape. Now it's time for me to start styling my hair, and I'm just going to use this wax stick and a hot comb just to lay down the front area of my hair. You do not have to do this next step, but I am going to be using the 𝐸𝐵N Wonder Lace Bond Spray just to have it a bit more secured. I had only used about 1 to 2 layers of the spray anyway. I am adding the spray in sections, because if I just do it all at once, then it just would be too much. So it's way easier for you just to do it in sections like this. Even though I have messed up a little bit on the other side, it still matches perfectly with my scalp, and it's because of how the lace is too. Then I'm gonna put on the edge band and I'm gonna let the lace melt for about 10 minutes. Barely any effort and the lace is melted onto my skin. I'm just playing with the hair, deciding if I want to make it look more effortless or just part it in the middle, but I decided to do a side part. I haven't added baby hairs to my lace in a really long time, so I decided that I'm gonna do it with this hair. The way I did it this time was super easy, and I'm probably gonna start doing this from now on. I'm gonna grab the section that I want to do, then I'm gonna take an edge band and let that lay there for about 2 minutes, 3 minutes, so it can be more flat. I'm gonna take my Ebin Wonder Lace melt spray, which I recently just bought. I'm gonna take a wax stick and a hot comb and just have it lay a little bit more flat, and then I'm gonna cut it with the razor, adding the lace melting spray, and that's gonna help lay the baby hairs. And this is the best way I did my edges. I'm just gonna do the exact same steps with the middle part and the other side. Right here, I'm just using the edge gel for my natural baby hairs. I'm going back in with the wax stick and the hot comb so the hair could be more flat up top and it'll look like it's coming from my scalp. Now I'm just wetting my hair so I can remove the frizz, especially in the front. And I'm going to be using the almond and avocado hair mousse. This is perfect for my natural curls and curly hair wigs like this one. It keeps the curls looking moisturized and soft, and it doesn't make my hair feel hard either. I'm gonna do this side first, then work my way to the other side. And this is how the hair looks after I'm done getting ready. This is how it looks when it's down and dry. Next, I'm just gonna add some concealer onto the hairline so it can match my scalp better. This hair is seriously everything. It barely sheds. The quality of it feels amazing. This wig should last you about 2 to 3 years. Like, the quality of it is that good. You can buy now and pay later with 0 interest. They have a 30 days free return policy with a free shipping label, and you get free shipping with the hair, and it ships within 48 hours. This is definitely gonna be one of my new go-to wigs for this summer because all I have to do is put it on and it'll be secured. I can easily take it off by undoing the 𝐿Visi strap. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this exact hairstyle. I'm just going to grab one piece of hair from each side, like a good amount but not too much, and I'm just going to put my hair in a claw clip just like this. The 𝐿Visi strap on the hair truly makes a huge difference. I'm gonna take the curler that was gifted to me with the Ashimary package and just curl the hair pieces. If you want to be extra, you can curl the ends of the hair while the hair is in a claw clip. I should have did that, but you know, it still looks good regardless. This is how the hair looks once I take off the wig, and as you can see, the lace still looks perfect and I can rewear this plenty of times. Oh my gosh. This hair is everything, especially for this summertime. I'm feeling like a whole summer mob wife aesthetic, because you guys know how the winter one came out with the mob wife aesthetic, but this time I'm the summer one. That's how I'm feeling right now. But regardless, like, I am truly loving this hair. I laid my baby hairs. They were so easy for me to do, because sometimes with certain wigs it can be difficult. So yeah, this time it was super easy. Like, look at all this right here. It matches perfectly with my scalp. With the curls, like, they're holding up so well. And then with the hair, there's like barely any shedding. I rate this hair a 10 out of 10. Automatically, it's pre-cut, pre-bleached, and I didn't even have to use the spray, but I just wanted to have that extra security on it. Make sure you guys go check out Ashimary. I'll leave all their information down below, of course, including this wig, coupon codes, all the products that I used in this video, and just everything like that. Let me know what you guys think about this hair. Like, would you guys wear this wig? Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because we're literally almost at 50k subscribers. And actually, I call you harmonies, 50k harmonies, and it'll mean so much to me if you guys would subscribe, especially if you guys love beauty, fashion, lifestyle content, girly content, any content that makes you feel feminine or extra feminine, then you guys would definitely love it over here. And of course, click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.